Hello dear friend, I am Clark John. Welcome to Clark John YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss travel photography tips for capturing memorable moments on the go. This video is for those people that are tourists and want to travel and want to capture your memorable traveling moments. So this video is for you. So watch this video till end. Before starting video, I will request you please subscribe Clark John YouTube channel. Do likes and comments on my video. So let's start the video. So this video is basically tips for travel moments, capturing your photos. So traveling provide a distinct chance to capturing the exquisite beauty of the world through the lens of camera. Regardless of whether you are a seasoned photographer or a photography enthusiast, the process of photography serves as a blank canvas for your creative expression. In this video, we will delve into helpful strategies and approaches that can assist you in capturing unforgettable moments while on the move and travel. So by gaining knowledge on the selecting the appropriate equipment and honing your composition skills, you will be significantly enhance your proficiency in the trip photography. So number one, pack light, shoot right. In the realme of travel photography, simplicity typically yield greater result when you contemplating the idea of bringing a variety of lenses and equipment. It is important to carefully evaluate logistic of loving such as heavy gear through your tour. Choosing a flexible and portable camera that complements your personal taste. Mirrorless cameras are superb option due to lightweight construction while still maintaining exceptional image quality. Keeping in the mind selecting the right lens might have a substantial impact on the range of photography you are able to take. Number two, you have plan ahead, embrace spontaneity. So successfully capturing traveling photography requires a delicate balance between careful planning and embracing spontaneity. Conduct through research on your location advance to find it iconic site, distinctive culture events and stunning scenery. Nevertheless, it is important allow for possibility of the unexpected findings and impromptu photos, as these often lead to creation of the most unforgettable photography. Flexibility enables individual to effectively adjust to evolving circumstances and capitalize on unique opportunities that may arise. So number three, we have master your camera setting. So having a solid grasp of your camera settings is absolutely essential if you want to get a specific outcome you are aiming for. Familiarize yourself with your camera's manual mode, aperture, shutter speed, and ISO setting. Enhance your photography skills. Taking efforts to understand these features will empower you will to have greater control over your cameras, capturing stunning images. So number four, we have golden hours and beyond. The gentle radiant glow that occurs during the golden hours while you're occurring just after sunrise before sunset have the remarkable ability to elevate mundane surrounding into a spectacular work of art. Make the most of these enhancing moment to capture breathtaking scenario and captivating pictures. However, it is advisable to explore beyond traditional time and venture into a real me of night photography in order to seize that enhancement of urban lights or the celestial splendor of starry skies. Number five, we have compose your purpose. Skillfully capturing images that has ability to convey a narrative, utilizing a rule of thought to build visually captivating Photos by strategic positioning your subject away from the center, resulting in a composition that is more dynamic and engaging. Number 6, we have connect with locals. Interacting with local people can offer a distinct viewpoint and enhance the quality of your vacation photography. So, establishing a relationship enables that capturing genuine moments and acquire valuable insights into culture of area. So, number 7, we have tell a story. Collection of images has the ability to effectively convey captivating narrative about your personal capture adventure. To create a compelling visual narrative, it is essential a capture that intricate nuance of local cuisine, vibrant markets, targets landscapes and authentic candid moments. So by doing so, can craft a visual capturing story that showcases the unique essence of experience. So number 8, invest in editing skills. Post processing has a crucial role in the contemporary photography. Discover enhanced editing techniques that will elevate your photography and unlock their maximum potential. So, number 9, backup and protect your memories. When traveling, it is crucial to protect your valuable snapshots, memories. Consider investing in a portable storage solution or cloud services to enhance regular backup of your photography. So these are the steps for traveling photography tips for capturing memorable moments on the go. Also, this video is very helpful for you. I will meet you in the next video. Please subscribe Clark John YouTube channel. Do likes and comments on my videos. So bye for now. Tata.